Half-size steam table pans. These foil pans with lids feature heat conductivity that warms food evenly and can withstand temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Foil pans with lids. This set of steam table pans is suitable for catering parties, broiling, baking, cooking, and more. These containers can be used in the freezer, oven, and steam tables. What's included? Our catering supplies comes with a total of 20 aluminum roasting pans with lids, enough for a large event or for multiple small events, occasions like barbecue, birthday parties, holiday gatherings, professionally catered events. Half-size tins. These disposable aluminum foil pans are half the size of traditional aluminum trays. The upper pan measures 12.75 by 10.25 inches. The tapered base of the pan measures 10.1 by 7.7 inches, with a depth of 2.2 inches. Durable material. The foil baking pans are made with a thick gauge, heavy-duty aluminum foil, and features full curl rims for easy handling. Our set of multi-use steam table pans features a heat conductivity of 500 degrees Fahrenheit and curled rims for easy handling or serving. These disposable aluminum pans with lids can be used for a catering event, a family get-together, a barbecue, an office party, or a school party. They can also be used in the freezer to store leftovers, or left on a small steam table to keep food warm. Each half-size tin foil pan has a top outer section that measures 12.75 by 10.25 inches, a top inner that measures 11.6 by 9.1 inches, a bottom that measures 10.1 by 7.7 inches, and a depth of 2.2 inches. The perfect size for pasta dishes, salads, grill preparation, cakes, pies, casseroles, and more. There are 20 aluminum baking pans with lids included in this set. Use them all at once for a big event, or keep them handy for different occasions. Top reviews from the United States. Great disposable and durable food pans. I've ordered these a couple of times. They are so convenient for my grill-out parties. They are a good thickness and size for durability and holding a good amount of food. The lids help a lot in keeping the food hot when having to put some grilled food in while waiting for the rest to finish cooking. Then of course there's the convenience of less dishes in the end. I either use it to store the leftovers or just toss it when done.